Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to PM Academy. Today I am going to give a talk on IS aspirant students, how they should be aware from misleading advertisement. Dear students, before coming to the topic, my request to you to like my channel, subscribe my channel, share my the videos to your friends and colleagues. Now I am coming to topic. Few days before, National Consumer Protection Authority issued notice to 20 coaching classes, IS coaching classes in Delhi particularly. They came to know certain misleading advertisements like total vacancy in the 2022 933. Combined together advertisements of the 20 classes, it was showing around 3,500 candidates selected. That was the theme and why the Ncpa gave the notice to do the classes. That is one thing. Second aspect is that actual part of the students. Now my thing is that actually who are the students in the IS coachings? Students those who have completed graduation or doing the graduation or completed post graduation, completed MBA or MBBS or engineering, even sometimes the IITians, even the students completed IIM also, they are appearing the civil services exams. And thing is that actual those are IITians, IIM, their case is the different. And those have completed post graduation and also like general engineering, not the IITians, from the engineering colleges affiliated to different universities, and MBAs affiliated to the different colleges, and also completed postgraduate and also completed graduations. Now here what happens actually, the students who are this category and also thinking to be an IS, definitely they are different from the other students. For example, how many graduates are the passing? How many graduates every year we see in the India? Lakhs. Out of that, few thousands also decide to go for the civil services because they know they are the level. They can't go for the civil services because it is the toughest job in the country. So everyone never dreams to be an IS. And those who dream to be an IS, definitely they are the talented, they are the skilled, they are hardworking, they have certain aims and ambitions, and they are ready to crack that exams. And they have some idea about the IS exams, how the exam is conducted, how they have to crack, and how to prepare. At least the basic ideas they have. Now the question comes actually, having all these things in the mind, why they are biased by the misleading advertisements? Because as you are brainy, talented, hardworking, and having the knowledge of the civil services, because civil services does not mean that simple by joining the coaching classes you will be the selected. It needs the hard preparations, hard understanding of the subject. Already the syllabus is given to your the hand. It has been declared by the UPSC. Syllabus is published by the UPSC. Every year, if some modification changes is there, it is also done the before, and before the exam, it comes in the newspapers or in the website of the UPSC. So you see the syllabus, you know the syllabus, and you know what books are available relating to the syllabus in the market. You can collect, you can read, you can prepare, and also you can judge the area of your the doubts. And when you see the area of your the doubts, you can clarify, help of your the senior friends or your the professors or anybody else. And another thing is that optional part. And optional part generally what happens, many of the students they go to the different coaching classes, different meet the different professors to consult for the different optional papers. My suggestion is that actually instead of consulting the different professors, you think about yourself. Suppose for example you are a student of history or the political science, and you already have also studied having your optionals in the 11th, plus 2 first year, plus 2 second year, and while coming to the graduation programs in the first year, second year, third year also in plus 3 level, you have that papers. When you have studied the 5 years long for that particular papers, definitely you have the basic ideas, you have the strong foundation, you have understood the many things. And when you see the syllabus relating to that one of the syllabus of the IS or the UPSC, whether the history or the political science, what you have studied, definitely you see that actual same thing is there. Certain new chapters are added. But the difference is that actually while preparing the civil services, you have to study very deeply, very minutely, and micro study is needed because you have to understand bit by bit. Suppose, for example, you have not studied the philosophy at all, even the 11th, in the 12th, in the plus the first year, second year, third year, and all of a sudden you decided, appearing the civil services, it is a scoring and I can go for the philosophy paper. But you have to start from the zero. You will be the beginner. It will consume most of your the valuable times. So when you have also studied a particular paper from the first year, second year of the plus 2 and first year, second year, third year of the plus 3 levels, and already you have become familiar with that subject for the last 5 years. So little bit effort can help you a lot to score better in your the in that papers instead of going for the new papers. That is relating to the optional parts. And the GS part, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 papers are there. Syllabus is prescribed, books are available. And besides, actually, you have to concentrate on the different magazines and the newspapers. Magazines like the Civil Services Chronicle, like the Yojana, or like any other magazines which is relating to the civil services. Many are there. 2, 3 magazines you have to focus. And newspapers like you can go for the Indian Express, like the explained sections where the particular issue is analyzed, and also go for the articles of the Hindu newspapers. So that is enough for a student to prepare. And another thing is that in the civil services, while you are studying a particular paper, you are not going to export of that papers, but you have to know the subject matter of particular syllabus. So you are not going to doing a research in that particular topic. You have to know the subject matter, you have to know the thing, what is the merit and demerit of that ones, or the summary of that things. So as it is there, because instead of being a expert of particular, but you have to jack up all trades, means you must have the knowledge in the all the areas like the history, politics, geography, ethics, like the basic science. Then you can score better in the general studies paper. So now, dear students, so instead of blaming to the classes like misleading advertisement, okay, we came to know that that is a misleading advertisement. There are big things stocks in the classes. Okay, we forget it. We have to forget it because already we are the graduate, we are educated, and we have the talent, we have the caliber, we are capable for the hard working. So we have to concentrate on the syllabus and the related books, newspapers, magazines, and the materials available, or what is for you, materials available or material is with you. We have to depend upon them and prepare for the civil services, then can be the successful. And definitely a guide is needed, but guide is needed when you have the doubts, when you are unable to understand a particular subject or the topic. You can consult a guide or a professor who is expert in that papers, so that can help you a lot. This is for today. Thank you very much.